everyone! Welcome back to Speakeasy English. I'm Luna.
And I'm Henry. Thanks for being here with us today.
Today, we're going to the movies.
Yes, we'll walk through the whole experience together.
From arriving at the movie theater, to buying a ticket, choosing seats, getting snacks, and leaving after the movie.
Step by step. Nothing fast, nothing difficult.
I remember my first time going to a movie theater here.
Me too. Everything felt new.
There were many screens, many posters, and many people.
And I wasn't sure where to go first.
I remember standing near the entrance and looking around.
Yes, I did the same thing.
I wanted to watch a movie, but I didn't feel comfortable at first.
I felt a little worried because I didn't know what to say.
I kept thinking, where do I buy a ticket?
And I was thinking, do I talk to someone or use a machine?
These small questions can feel big when English is new.
Especially when this is your first time.
But after I did it once, it felt much easier.
Yes, going to the movies is actually simple.
You only need a few easy sentences.
And you can take your time.
In this episode, we'll go slowly.
We'll show you what to say and when to say it.
You don't need perfect English.
Simple English is enough.
Just listen with us.
Repeat when you can.
And imagine yourself there.
By the end, you'll feel more confident. Okay, we just walked into the movie theater. Take a second and look around with us.
Yeah, there are a lot of lights and posters.
I will be the movie theater staff.
And I will be the customer.
Okay, here we go. Hi there. Welcome in.
Hi.
Are you here to see a movie?
Yes, I want to watch a movie.
Great. Do you already know which one?
Not yet.
That's okay. You can look at the screen over there.
Okay, I see the movie names and times.
Yes, take your time.
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, so that was a full example of arriving at the movie theater.
Let's slow down and look at what we just said.
I want to watch a movie. That's a simple way to answer.
You can also say, I'm here to see a movie.
When they ask, do you know which one? You can say, not yet.
And if you need time, you can say, I'm just looking.
I remember my first time walking into a movie theater here.
Me too. I didn't know where to stand.
Everything felt new at first.
But once I looked at the screen, I felt more comfortable.
Okay, we're at the ticket counter now.
Take a second and listen with us.
Yeah, I can hear people talking.
I will be the movie theater staff.
And I will be the customer.
Okay, here we go. Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hi, I want one ticket, please.
Sure. Which movie would you like to see?
Let me see. The action movie.
Okay. What time would you like?
The 7:30 show.
All right. One ticket for the 7:30 action movie.
Yes, that's right.
Adult or child?
Adult, please.
Okay, that will be $12.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Here is your ticket.
Thank you. Okay, so that was a full example of buying a movie ticket.
Let's slow down and look at what we just said.
I want one ticket, please. That's a simple way to start.
You can also say, one ticket for the 7:30 show.
When they ask, which movie would you like? You just say the movie name.
And if you need time, you can say, let me see.
I remember my first time buying a movie ticket here.
Me too. I was not sure what time to choose.
I felt a little worried at first.
But once I said one sentence, it became much easier. Okay, now we're choosing our seats. Take a second and look at the screen with us.
Yeah, I see a lot of small squares.
I will be the movie theater staff.
And I will be the customer.
Okay, here we go. All right, you can choose your seat here.
Okay, I see blue and gray seats.
Yes, blue seats are available.
I want to sit in the middle.
That's a good choice.
Is this one okay?
Yes, that seat works.
Okay, I'll choose this one.
Great, your seat is selected.
Okay, so that was a full example of choosing a seat.
Let's slow down and look at what we just said.
I want to sit in the middle. That's easy to say.
You can also say, is this seat okay?
When you see blue seats, that means they are free.
And you can take your time to choose.
I remember my first time choosing a seat here.
Me too. I was worried I would pick the wrong one.
But once I touched the screen, it felt simple.
Yes, after one try, it's not hard at all. Okay, now we're at the snack counter. Take a second and look at the menu with us.
Yeah, I see popcorn and drinks.
I will be the movie theater staff.
And I will be the customer.
Okay, here we go. Hi there. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I get popcorn, please?
Sure. Small, medium, or large?
What's the difference?
The large one is bigger.
Okay, I'll take a medium.
All right. Would you like butter?
Yes, please.
No problem. Would you like a drink?
Yes. Can I get a soda?
Sure.
What size?
Small is fine.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that's all.
That will be $9.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Here's your popcorn and drink.
Thank you very much. Okay, so that was a full example of buying snacks.
Let's slow down and look at what we just said.
Can I get popcorn, please? That's a very useful sentence.
You can also say, I'd like a medium popcorn.
When they ask about size, you can say, small is fine.
And when you're finished, you can say, that's all.
I remember my first time buying snacks here.
Me too. I didn't know what size to choose.
I was worried it would be hard.
But after one order, it felt very easy. Okay, now we're going into the theater. Take a second and look at the room with us.
Yeah, it's darker inside.
I will be the movie theater staff.
And I will be the customer.
Okay, here we go. Hi, your theater is number 5.
Okay, thank you.
Just go straight and turn left.
All right, I see the sign.
Enjoy the movie.
Thanks. Okay, we're inside now.
Yes, let's find your seat.
It's a little dark.
That's normal.
I see row D,
Good. What's your seat number?
seat 12.
Okay, it's right here.
Oh, I see it now.
Take your time.
Thank you. Okay, so that was a full example of going into the theater and finding a seat.
Let's slow down and look at what we just said.
It's a little dark. That's something people often say.
And when you need help, you can say, where is seat 12?
If you're not sure, you can ask, is this the right row?
And it's always okay to say, thank you.
I remember my first time going into a dark theater.
Me too. I walked very slowly.
I was worried I might sit in the wrong seat.
But after one time, it felt much easier. Okay, the movie is about to start.
Take a second and sit down with me.
Okay, I'm in my seat now.
I'm sitting next to you.
Good. It's getting quiet.
Yeah.
The lights are going off.
Mm-hmm.
I'll turn off my phone now.
Yeah, that's good.
It's a little dark.
Yeah, just move slowly.
Okay, I'm fine.
Let me know if you need help.
I like sitting here.
Me too. We can see the screen well.
Yeah, the seat is comfortable.
Great.
Okay, so that was a full example of getting ready during the movie.
Let's slow down and look at what we just said.
I'll turn off my phone. That's a good sentence to use.
And it's a little dark is very common.
When I feel unsure, I can say, I'm fine.
And saying, let me know if you need help, sounds friendly.
I remember my first time sitting in a movie theater like this.
Me too. I felt unsure at first.
But after a few minutes, I relaxed.
Yeah, watching the movie helped. Okay, the movie is over now. Let's stand up and get ready to leave.
Okay, I'm standing.
I'll wait for you.
Wow, that movie was good.
Yeah, I liked it too.
The ending was nice.
Yeah, it was.
There are a lot of people.
Yeah, let's move slowly.
Okay, I'll stay close.
That's good.
I don't want to bump into anyone.
Me neither.
I'll follow you.
Okay.
I see the exit sign.
Yeah, let's go that way.
Okay, so that was a full example of leaving the theater.
Let's slow down and look at what we just said.
Wow, that movie was good. That's easy to say after a movie.
And let's move slowly is useful when it's crowded.
I can also say, I'll stay close.
And following the exit sign helps a lot.
I remember my first time leaving a movie theater here.
Me too. There were many people.
I felt unsure for a moment.
But staying calm helped.
You made it to the end. Great job.
Yes, you stayed with us through the whole movie experience.
Now let's review some useful sentences together.
Listen first, then you can say them out loud.
I want 1 ticket, please.
I want 1 ticket, please. I want 1 ticket, please.
I want to sit in the middle.
I want to sit in the middle. I want to sit in the middle.
Can I get popcorn, please?
Can I get popcorn, please? Can I get popcorn, please?
I'll turn off my phone.
I'll turn off my phone. I'll turn off my phone.
Let's move slowly.
Let's move slowly. Let's move slowly.
Now it's your turn.
Don't worry about being perfect.
Try to say 3 to 5 sentences about going to the movies,
You can talk about buying a ticket
or choosing a seat.
or getting snacks.
You can start with, last time I went to the movies.
Or, when I go to the movies, I usually.
Say it out loud if you can.
Or write it down for yourself.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We're really glad you were here.
Keep practicing a little every day.
And be proud of yourself.
We'll see you in the next episode.
See you next time.